Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to our Stamp Club reveal. This is our Stamp Club for September of 2019. I cannot believe how long we have been doing the Stamp Club. I love the Stamp Club and it gives me something new it kind of challenges me every month. And this month was so fun because this was not supposed to be what it turned out to be, and it's better than I ever could have imagined. And that's typically how we get our best stamp sets, when they're what we didn't expect them to be. So check this out. This set, which I always have upside down, brace yourself, it's so cute. Also, before I flip it, am I killing you? Before I flip it, if you'd like to join the Stamp Club, and why not, it's in the description below so you guys can get information about that. It's super cool and it's fun to get one of these in the mail every month and never know what you're getting. It's a mystery club. Ready, set, look at Tailgating. Isn't it adorable? Oh my goodness. Now, you may be from an area that doesn't know what tailgating is, but tailgating is where you go to the football game and you take a pickup truck, or nowadays it's campers and tents and everything, and you have a barbecue outside your pickup truck and you hang out and you just have a good time. So whenever someone in the South talks about tailgating, it's a good warm feeling. So here's what's cool about this little truck. First off, he's buffalo check because I'm all about it. I cannot get enough of it. There he is, a buffalo check truck with this tailgate just waiting for sentiment. Check out what goes inside there. We've got, hey y'all, we've moved. Okay, listen, when we were making this set, 3 of us said we wanted to get a new house just so we can make moving invitations or moving announcements with this truck and that sentiment. This one says, congrats. How about this one? Thought you could use a little pickup. Here's a truckload of hugs. Here's sending loads of, and by the way, you can selectively ink things. So if you wanted to selectively ink the word sending and put it above truckload of hugs, you could do that. So it could be sending a truckload of hugs. Also here you have announcing, you have special delivery, holiday cheer, so sending loads of holiday cheer, and one of my favorites, hitched. And you can have just hitched or getting hitched. How cute, right? Happy birthday. Heard you picked up a bug. I love that one right there. And then all our little words that you see. Oh, by the way, love goes right here. So you can do sending loads of love. That also fits in there. All these little guys fit in the tag. Are you ready for this? It's a girl. It's a boy. Get well soon. Howdy do. From me to you. Just for you. Forever. And you can put to you. So like if you did a special delivery, you could put to you in the tag. Do I have some samples for you? Yes. And I think they're my favorite samples I've ever made. I'm not even kidding. Every one of them are my fave. Let me show you. So this little guy right here, look at this. I love this guy so much. This is the truck. Now I want to show you something. When I fussy cut this, I cut the rear view mirrors off because I just can't be bothered with that. But if you're like me too and you want to cut those off, remember, you can always stamp it onto your project and then put your fussy cut piece on top, and that way your little mirrors will stick out. I don't miss them. I think it's fine. So if you want to add them, be sure to do that. But look at this little guy. So I did this little Becker's twine rope here with some little flowers attached, and it says just hitched forever. That's a good reminder for a new couple, right? And look, I just took some cardstock and cut little rectangles to make cans. I shined them all up with some crystal accents and added some stars to some Becker's twine coming down the tag. I love it. If you would like to see a tutorial on this, just tell me in the comments, wedding card please, and I'll make sure that I do a tutorial on this one for you. It's a very fun one to do. Look, I even did stars as the little tail lights. Now I want to show you something really quick because these other two, I didn't cheat, but I kind of cheated. Some of you may be familiar that every month we do a stamp set for Edith as well. This one this week is called Wheelie Full Wagon. There's a funny story behind it, not this week, but this month. There's a funny story behind that. We actually have a cooler that has wheels on it. And when we bought it, there was a sticker on the side that said Wheelie Cool Wagon. And we call that our Wheelie Cool Wagon. That's the name of it ever since. So I thought it'd be funny if we did one called Wheelie Full Wagon, because all of these little pieces fill up this wagon, and this buffalo check can go in here in this wagon. But the reason I'm showing you this one is because Mandy and I made sure if you got Edith's set, every one of these images would fit in the back of this truck. And I'm going to show you some samples I did with it. Now, I do want to tell you, if you have our other truck set, we have another truck set that's the side view. Those images fit back here as well. I cannot tell you how many things I've found that fit in the back of this truck. There's so many things. Just if you were interested in this one, I wanted to show you that. Plus, these samples I'm going to use show you mixing those together, or the samples I'm going to show you. This is a tag that says special delivery from me to you. And I love how this turned out. These little packages are from that stamp set. But if you don't have this stamp set, you know what you could do? You could just cut some rectangle sized squares and tie little bows on them. Wouldn't that be cute? That's a way to get yourself some of those little little packages as well. I love this on the tag. I think it's super cute. Then, and this is probably my favorite. Look at this guy. I love him, and look at this. I am in love. Now this pumpkin again is from that extra little set, and by the way, we ordered a bunch extra of these, so if you want these, they're in store. You'll be able to get these. I told Vince he better get a bunch because these work with this truck set. But look at that big old pumpkin, and any set you have that has pumpkins will work in here just fine. You can just cut them and put them on the back of the truck. And look, hey y'all, howdy do. I love this so much. If you would like a tutorial on how I did this is just paper putting all these little lines together and things. If you would like a tutorial on how I did this, just say in the comments below, truck card please, and then I'll know. That's my 3 samples. I'm in love with them. There were so many more that I could do. Let me show you another truck I worked on. This one didn't make it to a card, but look how cute that is. Thought you could use a little pickup and then get well soon in the tag. I didn't get this one to a card yet, but it will make it to a card. And I want to show you, I stamped this on craft colored cardstock. This one's on white, but I want to show you because I went crazy stamping. I even stamped it on red just to see what it would look like. So I took a scrap of some red, and look how cute he is stamped on red paper. Adorable. So remember, don't just stamp him on white. Here he is on craft without any. I inked this guy up with some distress ink, so here it is on craft without any ink. Don't just do white paper. He is so cute in different colors, and somebody's going to emboss him, and I know he's going to be adorable. Thanks so much, guys, for being a part of our club. I hope you have as much fun. I can't imagine what you're all going to do. There's no telling. I have so many ideas for him. I can't even tell you, my brain is running. How cute would this be for place cards for your Thanksgiving table? Are you kidding me? Stay tuned, right? So there he is, guys, tailgating. And I do want to tell you that our manufacturer made a little spelling error right here and put tailgating. Don't worry, we'll have that fixed in our next run, and that won't hurt anything. But there is a little spelling error right there, just on the name of the set. So you'll be all good to go when you get it. So if you get it, go, I know she didn't call it tailgating. She didn't. It's tailgating. All right, guys. Thanks so much. And if you make a project with this, remember, go put a picture of it in our customer gallery. That enters you to our monthly prize drawing of $50 to our store. There is a winner for last month. It's in the description of this video because, as always, I'm filming this one a little bit early, so I don't know who the winner is yet. So be sure to check the description to see if you won so you can spend your money. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Talk to you again next time. Bye-bye.